The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2020 through 2025 Audi A6 Allroad with raised rails. We previously installed the Thule Wingbar EDGE base rack system. If you want to see a video of just that, we'll link to it in the description below. But here we've got on top of it the Thule Motion 3 cargo box. So a really great looking box on this vehicle especially. This is the extra large size. Probably would have gone with the large, but if you need more room, you need more room. This is easy to operate box, sleek and stylish, great carrying capacity, really great for skis and different types of cargo you might need to carry, while also providing a very aerodynamic and good looking box. But this is just a quick walk around so you can see what this looks like on this particular vehicle. With the crossbars and especially with the cargo box attached, you don't want to operate the panoramic sunroof. That will make contact, so don't do it. But this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more pictures or details, please visit the link on our website in the description below. That's going to be it for this quick walk around. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.